So welcome back. So in the last video we learned how we can add the web browser pages from functions and arrow functions and also from class. So today we will be learning different JSX types. Like there are two types of JSX in which we can display the contents in the web browser. So let's talk into that. I'll create a new component called as hello.js. Now inside this, first it's same importing the React from React. Then I'll create a const arrow function named hello. I'll equal to arrow function and let this function display inside a division okay, I'll make it a little simple so that it will be little understanding. Okay, inside a division I will put one h1 tag. Inside that I'll write hello Prajwal. Okay, this is fine. Let's run it. Wait, okay, I have to export it, right? I'll export default and hello. Now we should connect this to our app, right? We'll connect. First I'll show you. Okay, importing hello from components hello. Okay, I'll remove this for now. Okay, I'll also comment these things. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll put that hello in. Okay, sorry. Okay, hello. We'll close the tag, self closing. Now we'll run the code. npm start. Okay, what happened? Okay, it's running. So you can see the display. Wait, it's loading. Okay, hello Prajwal is displayed. Now this is one type of JSX. There is one more way of printing the same output, like in different manner. We'll go for hello. I'll comment these things. Okay, now I'll write, this is a new thing, right? React dot create element. Inside this there are three parameters. Okay, the first parameter is which type of tag you are using, HTML tag. The second is the properties, and the third one will be the content. So for this paragraph we use the division first, right? So we are using division now. So inside the codes I will write div. Next, the properties like id and class name. Now I'll give it is null. Then the content will be hello Prajwal. Now if I save this and run, you can see the output, but it's not what we wanted. It's little change, right? We wanted that to be in h1 tag, but it's in just a division tag, just a content. Now what I'll do is remove this and add one more react dot create element. Inside this again three parameters, but now the parameter 1 will be h1 tag, as we wanted inside division we want h1 tag. Properties I will give it as null itself. Now the content which I want to print inside division, inside h1 tag. Okay, I have to give in codes. Okay, in codes. Okay, now the content, the output is same as before what we gave that, right? Okay, so did you understand? First one is a h1 tag, second one is the property null, third one is the react create element. Inside that this is a child class, like that. Now I'll teach you the actual use of null. Instead of null I'll change it as id. Okay, I'll rewrite again. Null. Instead of null we will be writing, wait just a second, I'll reload the page. Okay, terminal. Okay, what we'll do is, okay, I'll run once again. I think the development server has stopped. Okay, starting the development server. Okay, we are able to see the output now. Wait, okay, hello Brajwal, the output is the same. Now what I'll do is I'll replace this null with some properties like id colon, and okay, in quotes I have to pass dummy id. I'll pass now. Okay, inside quotes dummy id. I'll also pass the class. In React we are using not class, it's class name. Class name, I'll pass dummy class name, dummy name. Okay, now I'll inspect it. Now you can see there is the id and the class name, right? So it's same as writing inside division in HTML. Like inside division we are giving an id called as dummy id and a class name called as dummy, class name. Okay, like this. Here nothing changes, here it will be same. So thank you for watching the video. If you want more such content, keep in touch. Make sure you subscribe the channel.